Well, it's Springfield Days, one of the most exciting weekends for the Springfield community and frankly this whole end of the county. And so we had a car show yesterday, there's a pet fest, arts and crafts show which was enormously successful yesterday, and we're here today at probably the most fun event of the weekend, which is the ever popular cardboard boat regatta at Lake Accotink. We've got a range of participants this year from our SAC programs, which always are a big contingent, some of our local businesses. This year even the Springfield Volunteer Fire Department has a boat out there today, and so it's different civic groups, some individual families. They all put together their own boat made only of duct tape and cardboard and paint. And so it's pretty amazing what these folks can come up with out here. This year's theme was the 275th anniversary of Fairfax County, so we have a lot of history-themed boats. But it's great fun, and I think while the race is fun to watch, the work that goes into making the boats and the spirit of the folks who are out there is more important than the boat itself. And I think there are a few boats this year who entered just for an excuse to actually get in the water. Really, anyone who came out today is an award winner for having community spirit, putting together a boat, taking up the challenge, and most importantly having fun, because that's really what this is all about this weekend, is having fun. And this is a great kind of capstone on the Springfield Days weekend.